So for this question, it asks us to simplify the following expression. Now to do that, the best way to do that is to start by foiling out these two factors. So to do that, we look at the first part, FOIL. Look at the first, which is going to be x times 3x, which will give us 3x squared. Then we look at the outer portions, which is going to be this and that. That's going to give us 2x, so plus 2x. Then we look at the inner portion. That's going to be the 2 and the 3x. That's going to give us plus 6x. And then lastly, we look at the last part, and that's going to be 2 times 2, which will give you 4. So after that, we can combine like terms. So that'll give us 3x squared plus, and then these are the two like terms, which will give us 8x. Combine these two, and then leave that 4. Now we bring down that minus sign, and we have to distribute that negative into each part of this. So that's going to look like minus 3x squared minus 8x minus 4. Now we can pull down this problem. So that's going to look like 4x squared minus 8x minus 3. And then from here we can simply just combine like terms. So we have 4x squared and negative 3x squared. That'll equal out to just x squared. We have the negative 8x and the other negative 8x. Negative plus the negative, that'll give us minus 16x. And then lastly, we have our terms without variables, which is the negative 3 and the negative 4. And that'll give us minus 7. And that's going to be your answer for the first problem. Now looking at the second part, we're simply asked to subtract the polynomials. So to do that, we simply just distribute this negative sign like we did in the previous problem. So I'm going to rewrite the 6x squared minus 2x plus 4. Distribute this negative, I'll give you minus 3x squared minus x, and then a negative times the negative is a positive, so then that's going to be plus 2. Combine like terms, we'll leave you with 6x squared, negative 3x squared, that'll give you positive 3x squared. Combine the negative 2x with the negative x, I'll give you negative 3x. Then lastly, combine the 4 with the 2, and I'll give you 6, which will give you your answer for part 2.